5 awesome types of video marketing that can help your brand shine. Number 1. Demo videos. These videos showcase the ins and outs of a product or service. It gives your audience a first-hand look of what it can do, from unboxing to step-by-step tutorials. For example, if your product is mobile phone, start by giving viewers a close-up look at the sleek design of the phone. Show off its slim profile or stunning display. Number 2. Brand videos. Your brand has a story to tell, and brand videos is the perfect way to share it. These videos capture the essence of your brand, whether it is a heartfelt story or behind-the-scenes peek at your team in action. Number 3. Expert interviews. People love learning from the pros, and that's where expert interviews shine. Bring in industry leaders, influencers to share their insights and expertise. These interviews help position your brand as a trusted authority in your field. Number 4. Educational videos. Knowledge is power, and educational videos are here to empower your audience. Whether it's a how-to guide or tips and tricks tutorial, it keeps your audience coming back for more. Example, if your product is treadmill, demonstrate the correct form for walking and running on a treadmill. Explain the benefits of walking, jogging, and running at various speeds. Number 5. Explainer videos. This type of videos helps your audience to better understand why they need your product or service. Many explainer videos focus on the fictional journey of the company's core buyer persona who is struggling with a problem. This person overcomes the issues by adopting or buying the solutions. Example, if your product is lightweight vacuum cleaner, compare your product with a heavy and bulky vacuum cleaner which is difficult to move around. Show your audience how your product makes cleaning a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.